हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आप सभी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होंगे। सो लास्ट वीक वाज वेरी हेक्टिक एंड आफ्टर दैट आई रियली नीडेड दिस वीकेंड एंड आई एम रियली एंजॉयिंग इट। आज मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव रही। आजकल बहुत सारी वीडियोस वायरल हो रही हैं अबाउट इंस्टेंट फेशियल किट एट होम एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स हु प्रोवाइड दोज काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स। सो मैंने भी सोचा कि लेट मी जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड मैंने ऑर्डर कर लिया Lotus का facial kit and it has just costed me around 295 rupees to be precise. 295 rupees में अगर आपको facial मिल रहा है, I would be more than blessed अगर मेरे फेस पे वो ग्लो आ जाता है तो लेट्स जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई। एंड कुछ महीनों के बाद मेरे काफ़ी सारे फ्रेंड्स की शादी होने वाली है। वन इज़ इन मे, वन इज़ इन नवंबर एंड काफ़ी लोग डिस्कशन भी कर रहे हैं। सो लेट्स जस्ट सी कि किसका इनवाइट आ जाए, वी नेवर नो। आई हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड एंड इसलिए मैं ये फेशियल किट आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ। हम सारे स्टेप्स वन बाय वन फॉलो करेंगे एंड एज इट इज़ जैसा उसमें लिखा है मैं आपको वो करके बताऊंगी। अभी मैंने अपने फेस पे कुछ भी अप्लाई नहीं किया है। इट्स ऑल नॉर्मल विदाउट मेकअप। कोई बेस भी कुछ भी मैंने नहीं लगाया है। इट्स ऑल वेरी रॉ। सो मैंने फेस वॉश कर लिया था एंड इफ़ यू ऑल हैव सीन माई प्रीवियस वीडियो आई यूजली यूज़ माई डर्माको का फेस वॉश। सो आई हैव क्लेंस्ड माई फेस वॉश वंस एंड उसके बाद हम डबल क्लेंजिंग करेंगे। डबल क्लेंजिंग से आपके जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डर्ट होती है वो बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन हो जाती है। उसके बाद जब आप जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करोगे राइट, वो बहुत अच्छे से आपके स्किन में सोक इन हो जाएगा एंड उसके रिजल्ट्स आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर मिलेंगे। सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न, दिस इज़ जस्ट वन स्लाइट टिप दैट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू। जो भी आप फेस वॉश यूज़ करते हो, एनी काइंड ऑफ क्लेंजर, माइल्ड और एनी काइंड ऑफ ब्रांड दैट यू यूज़ which suits your skin, you should always go for that face wash and double cleansing kariye and then you can follow the steps that I'll be showing you right now. So let's just get started. So this particular facial kit is nothing but tada! This is Lotus White Glow Instant Glow Fairness Facial Kit and this has 4 steps to it. हम एक step follow करेंगे. This facial kit is suitable for all skin types and the glow after the facial will last for about 7 days as mentioned in the packaging, which means my skin will be radiant and its results will be lasting. The color combinations that are used in the box itself is making me feel excited. So let me open the packaging now. So let's just talk about the packaging first. Guys, this is so cute. इतने छोटे छोटे सैशेज में आपको सारे क्रीम्स मिले हैं। सो और लेट नहीं करते हुए लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड। Firstly, I'm starting with my go-to Dermaco cleanser, the 2% salicylic acid gel face wash that I regularly use on daily basis. I've been using this face wash since very long, and if you have any specific face wash that you use according to your skin type, you can go ahead with it. So by doing this step, we are just prepping our skin so that all the facial ingredients which are there in the facial kit can get soaked very nicely in our skin. As a next step, I'll be wiping off my face gently to ensure that it's completely dry and prepped up for the facial. Let's start with the facial now. The first step is the cleansing milk. It came with a small sachet and it contained milk components. As my skin is all completely dry, it will help me soak in all the components from this cleansing milk. I have taken the entire cream on my palm and now I'm rubbing it gently on my entire face. I'll be massaging it gently around my cheeks, around my nose and also the chin area. I did this step for about 2 to 3 minutes and gently massaged everywhere as I could. I'm trusting the process now. We're almost done with the first step. I'll be wiping off my face with a damp cloth instead of washing it off altogether. This will ensure that some of the components of the cleansing milk is still there in my skin and gradually all of the components will get soaked in. My skin feels really fresh right now. We're off to the next step, which is going to be whitening and brightening scrub. I was also reading the components mentioned at the back of the sachet to understand what all is included in each and every step. This will help me to understand the product better. The quantity in the sachet was quite good enough, and I was able to cover my entire face with this. Can you all see the white beads? These beads were really helpful in removing my blackheads and whiteheads, as I was not using any external equipment for removing the blackheads. It was really good, and after using the scrub, my skin felt so smooth, it was completely exfoliated. I did this step for about 1 to 2 minutes, and now I'll be wiping off my face with the damp cloth again. I'll not be washing off my face in this entire facial because I want to keep the ingredients on my face altogether. The results were quite good, and the area around my nose, my chin area, and also some of the cheek portion where most of the whiteheads and blackheads were there, it all got softened, and I'm really impressed with this. Let's go to the next step. That's going to be step 3, massage cream. After doing the scrub, my skin became a little sensitive, and this particular massage cream was able to help soothe my skin entirely. I'm giving a good massage onto my face, just as written in the instructions. You can do this step for up to 10 minutes by taking in the cream gradually. I took it all at once. After giving a good time, I'm leaving it for about 10 minutes more, and in the meantime, I'll just write down my journal. Now, this time, I will do the massage with wet palm before removing it completely. I'll be removing it with a damp cloth again, and now you all can see the glow here. We are arriving at the final step of the facial. Next step is going to be the final one, and let's see how the results are going to be. The last step to this facial is the brightening mask. We have to apply it and leave it for some time. I'll be taking it in the bowl so that I don't waste any of it. I'll be using my regular brush from Vega to apply it evenly on my face. I'll be spreading this cream on my entire face, covering all the areas wherever I had done the massage as well in the earlier stages. We'll have to leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes till the time it gets dried. I'm trusting the entire process and doing the happy dance till the time it all gets dried. Time to wash off my face. Now let's just see how the results are going to be. So guys, I'm done with the facial now. Glow तो आप मेरे face पे देख ही सकते हो. It is so good. I feel so much fresh right now. मेरी skin feels so much exfoliated. इतना glow कर रही है ये. I'm not sure whether you are able to see it or not, but I can feel it surely. ये सारे जो steps हैं मैंने properly follow किए हैं. हर एक स्टेप में आपको उस सैशे के पीछे लिखा होगा कि आपको क्या क्या स्टेप फॉलो करना है, बट जितना टाइम आप उसमें डेडिकेट करो इट्स अप टू यू. मैं 10 मिनट के अंदर ही थक गई थी वो मसाज करते हुए. सो बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज दी स्क्रब वॉज वेरी गुड बिकॉज इट हैज़ दो स्मॉल बीड्स. घर पे करने के लिए इट्स वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. अगर आप किसी पार्टी फंक्शन में जा रहे हो, किसी भी वेडिंग को अटेंड करने वाले हो, आई थिंक इफ यू हैव 15 minutes of time, you should be able to do this. You can purchase it from Instamart, Blinkit, or even from any kind of shop, right? So it is very reasonable. 295 rupees में proper आपको facial kit मिल जाएगा. Surely I would recommend this facial kit to everyone. I'll be sharing the link of this product in the description box, so check out the description box. And if you have any such similar recommendations to any kind of product that you want me to try and share my views, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also write down in the comment section how did you find this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.